Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Degree.
What does the dictionary say?
Any of a series of steps or stages, as in a process or course of action. A point in any scale.
Mathrap.
A degree reveals how precise a measurement can be. In a circle, a full rotation makes 360. The symbol for degrees is an O at height angle. 90 degrees is a right triangle.
Mathrap.
I was confused after the teacher explained degrees to me for a second time. Frustrated, he gave me the third degree. Explain degree in your own words. Think of angles and weather. Do you like it when the temperature is high or low in degrees? Why? What are a few things that you can think of that can be measured in degrees? What is the temperature today in your area? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!